Good morning. What do we got going on today?
Skydiving, baby.
Skydiving. That explains that fancy backpack suit that you're wearing there. Any special occasion for going skydiving today?
Nope.
Sunday fun day.
Sunday fun
Sounds
day.
like a great reason to go skydiving. Well, you look ready. I'm almost ready. Let's meet at the plane. Let's go. Woohoo! Perfect, Banana. How you feeling?
Woo!
Looking good, looking great. Yeah. Let's take it nice and slow, or we can do a big turn if you want to do a big turn.
Up to you.
All right, let's do a big turn. Here we go.
Let's go.
Skydiving for your second time. I think we're building a skydiver here. How are you feeling?
Amazing.
Yeah, what was your favorite part?
Jump.
You like the jump?
Yeah.
The scenery?
Best
Whatever.
Yeah.
You absolutely killed it. You
Pikes
did.
Peak, sand dunes, gorge, all of it.
There's a lot to see up there.
Absolutely.
Well, you absolutely killed it. Thank you so much for
Thank
jumping
you.
with us at Skydive Colorado Springs. Number one.
Woo!